All right.
So you,
I'll start off then with Copilot agents. Um, in a nutshell, and this is really where Microsoft is heading, is that every employee will have their own Copilot, whereas each business process will have an agent. So this is kind of Microsoft's way of viewing it here, and surely the right one. But think of Copilot as my assistant when I start treating my emails, for example, my chats, my meetings, my follow-ups, my planning, etc. And an agent is going to be a lot more of a focused um, action taker. So it's not going to be one agent like a James personal assistant that handles any of our legal questions and RFPs, that does the licensing inquiries, that does demos, that builds quotes and strategic planning. But rather, I would have more so 5 agents to accomplish those 5 particular outcomes, potentially even more, depending how specific I'd like each agent to be.